Well, here we are, day 7. We actually made it to the final day of this whole journey, the absolute summit of our climb. And let me tell you, today is the day it all comes together. We're not just tacking on one last feature. We are literally breathing life into our system, turning it into a workspace that can think for itself. This is the grand finale, so let's jump right in. You know, this quote right here from the preface of the Applied Notion Blueprint has been our North Star this entire week. It's what this has all been about. We're moving so far beyond just taking notes or having static pages. The whole goal, the thing we've been building towards is this: a living, breathing operating system for your work that actively works for you. And today, we flip that switch. And flipping that switch, well, it requires a pretty big shift in how we think about our workspace. We're basically graduating, you know? We're going from being just a user of the system to becoming its supervisor. You're no longer the one in the trenches doing all the heavy lifting. You're now overseeing a system that's designed to do that work for you. And this slide just lays out the payoff perfectly. I mean, look at this. On the left, that's the old way, right? The endless manual tasks, that awful click fatigue we all know, and just constant mind-numbing data entry. But over on the right, that's where we live now. We've got autonomous flows, powerful single-click commands, and our job has been elevated from data entry to data supervision. We're in command now. So you're probably asking, how is this even possible? Well, it's not magic, even though it feels like it. It's all about the engine we're about to fire up, Notion's very own built-in automation features. These tools, especially the native automations and those awesome buttons, are specifically designed to take all of that tedious, repetitive work right off your plate. For good. Oh, and this shows you the raw power I'm talking about. Just look at this chain reaction, this cascade of events, all triggered by one single click. You hit one button and bam, the system instantly executes 5 different steps. It creates the page, assigns it to the right person, drops in the date, and updates the status. It's basically a macro, and it saves you an unbelievable amount of time and mental energy on every single project you start. Okay, so now, let's kick it up a notch. If automations are the powerful engine doing the work, then Notion's integrated AI, well, that's the brain. We're about to install an intelligent agent right into the heart of our system, taking it from being just automated to being truly intelligent. So what in the world is an AI agent, really? The technical definition calls it a reasoning layer, and the keywords you need to remember are reasoning and context. See, this isn't a simple if this happens, then do that kind of command. The AI agent can actually analyze the information in your workspace, it understands the context, and then it executes these complex chains of tasks all by itself. This is so important. We have to stop thinking about Notion AI as just a little helper for writing blog posts or emails. In the kind of system we've built, its main job is strategic. It's an active agent that runs, manages, and actually enriches the data inside our system. It's a worker, not just a writer. And here are just a few of its core missions. You can literally tell the AI to scan a messy block of text, say a client email, and it will automatically pull out the key data like deadlines or deliverables and fill in your database properties for you. Or, picture this. It can analyze a massive document and spit out a perfect executive summary in seconds. It can translate research from one language to another on the fly. It can even read your content and come up with strategic tags, connecting ideas across your entire workspace. We're talking about automating intellectual labor here. It's a game changer. And with that, we've done it. We've reached the summit. We just placed the final and most powerful piece into our entire structure. It's really time to just step back for a second and appreciate what we've built over these last 7 days. It's not just a collection of pages anymore. A complete, intelligent system has been born. I mean, just look back at this journey, this ascent. On day 1, we started with absolutely nothing, a blank page, and we built a solid architecture using those digital Lego blocks. By day 5, we were weaving those blocks together into these amazing relational networks. Then on day 6, we made our data smart with Formula 2.0. And now today, we've achieved full autonomy. Every single day built perfectly on the one before, leading us right here to this moment. The guide makes a promise that by the end, you're no longer just a user. And it's true. You are now the architect of your own digital office. You designed it, you built it, and you're in complete control. And you know, with the architect's main work done, this isn't an ending. Not at all. This is a launch. This is the beginning of the next chapter because your system is now live, it's a living, dynamic ecosystem, and your relationship with it is about to evolve in some incredible ways. So, I'm going to leave you with this one final thought. Your system is now breathing. It's working, it's thinking, it's adapting. The real question isn't what we've built, but what happens now? What will you teach it next? How are you going to customize it to perfectly fit your workflow, your goals, your biggest ambitions? The power, truly, is in your hands now. Wow, we've covered the entire construction process, from the very foundation all the way to full autonomy. To really unlock every last drop of potential from what you've just built, and to dive even deeper into all of this, the complete guide, the Applied Notion Blueprint, is your essential next step. Seriously, congratulations on building your first autonomous Notion system.